Happy Arvo, welcome back. So good to see you. Thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're just going to relax. Sit back in the chair and listen to GANGgajang, Sounds of Then. And from what I saw, it was also called This is Australia. I don't know what I'm in for. Hopefully something beyond this green screen. Let's take a listen. Okay. Cool guitar.
Talking, the scene to recall. Find my new movement, living songs that fall. From the backing tape, a certain texture, that certain beat, to lie in sweat on familiar sheets, in veneer on finance beds, in a room of silent artifacts, a certain texture, that certain smell brings forth the heavy days.
I have to pause. Sorry to pause, but, I have to say what I'm thinking. And first of all, this guy's voice was not what I expected. I was expecting some kind of folky, country-ish kind of voice. He comes in with, it's a really cool beat. And he comes in with, I don't even know. What kind of voice is that? I don't even know. This is from the 80s, and it fits right in. Somehow that voice sounds like it is straight out of the 80s. At least this clip is from the 80s. I don't know when the song came out. I assume 85. I don't know. But so far, it's catchy, and it's not what I expected. So I'm having fun.
In on finance beds, in a room of silent artifacts, a certain texture, that certain smell brings forth the heavy days, brings forth the nighttime swell. Now out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia.
Yeah. This is such a different vibe to the other Australian songs I've listened to. I am, you are, which I love. Love that song. But this is some kind of funky. It's a totally different take on a song about Australia. But I like the lyrics about. I'm having to listen close because this is an old recording. But he's talking about the smells and what it's like. That the ambiance of Australia.
The block is awkward. It faces west with long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, in convoys of silence, the cattle bathe. A certain texture, that certain smell brings forth the nighttime swell. Now out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane field, laugh and think that this is Australia.
I would love to be cruising through the outback with a Jeep, doors off, blaring this song at night. I think that'd be fun. I know it would be fun. Mean guitar. I have to say, we just don't have guitar solos anymore. Not only do we not have guitar solos like that, but we don't have guitar solos, period. So it's a lot of fun to listen to.
To lie in sweat on familiar sheets, in ripping near on finance bed, in a room of silent heart effects, a certain texture, that certain beat brings forth the heavy day, brings forth the nighttime heat. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia. This is Australia. This is Australia. This is Australia. Check it out now.
It's a cool drum set. Get it. Nice. That was awesome. I really enjoyed that. That was a lot different than like I said, the other, I've listened to I Am Australian, We Are Australian. And I listened to another Australian song too. I forget what it was. Shoot, what was the name? It was similar to the it's kind of similar to the I Am Australian or We Are Australian. Anyway, this is like this more sounds like an era, like the 80s. And that's a lot of fun to listen to. The guitar solo was awesome. It's definitely not as like deep and like meaningful and like brings a tear to my eye as the We Are Australian just about did for me. But a lot of fun. Very cool song. What can I say? I like it. Have a fantastic Arvo, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. Just listening to a song, what can I say? I can't complain. That's the video for today. So, go have yourself a fantastic Arvo. Go out into the outback for me. Drive around. I was going to say bring some beers, but don't do that. And blare this song out there. Or don't. But that's what I would do. Have a great day. Goodbye.